Dear students, we have already discussed about PDE, that is formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants, arbitrary functions, and arbitrary function of the form phi of uv equal to 0. So we have done with the formation of PDE concept, and then we have worked out with the direct integration method also. Now let us move to the solution of homogeneous PDE involving derivatives with respect to one independent variable. Okay. Now suppose that the dependent variable has been differentiated partially with respect to one independent variable, say x. Then the PDE can be treated as an ordinary differential equation. Okay. The arbitrary constant in the solution are then replaced by arbitrary function of the other variable, giving a solution of the PDE. Okay. First, we have to convert the given PDE in terms of ODE, and then auxiliary equation corresponding complementary function you have to write. That constant we have to replace in terms of function of other variables and find the solution. Then you will get this particular solution for the given problem. Let us discuss one by one problem here. See what is given: dou square z by dou y square equal to z. Given that z equal to 0 and dou z by dou y equal to sin x when y equal to 0 given. Okay. Now look into this concept. Dou square z by dou y square given. That means what? Z is a function of single variable y only. Therefore, the given PDE we can write it in the form of ODE. How to write ODE? Dou replaced by d. So it will give us d square z by dy square minus z equal to 0. Right? Now, suppose d by dy equal to capital D. Then this gives us what? Capital D square z minus z equal to 0. Or d square minus 1 into z equal to 0. Where capital D is nothing but small d by dy. It is continuation of your previous module, that is or auxiliary equation corresponding complementary function and all. Now what is auxiliary equation? Equate the coefficient of z to 0. Either you can write m square minus 1 0 or d square minus 1 0. So d square minus 1 equal to 0 means d square equal to 1. So what is d? Either plus 1 or minus 1, right? Or here also you can write d plus 1 into d minus 1 equal to 0. So d equal to plus 1 and d equal to minus 1. So roots are real and different. So how to write? See here, z we have to express in terms of y, because d by dz by dy here, z in terms of y. So z equal to c1 e power 1y plus c2 e power minus 1y. Okay, z in terms of y. Now this we found solution for what? It is for ODE, because we have converted PDE in terms of ODE and we have found the solution for ODE. But what is the solution for PDE? Just replace this C1 and C2 in terms of function of other variable. Other is what they have given in terms of x. So C1 replaced by fx, C2 replaced by gx. Clear? That itself is solution of PDE. Once again I will repeat. We have converted the PDE in terms of ODE and we have found the solution for ODE. Now we need to find the solution for PDE by just replacing C1 and C2 in terms of function of other variables. That is what? See, z equal to f of x e power y plus g of x e power minus y. Okay. Now we have to find the value of fx and gx by using the given data. What is given here data? See here, given z equal to 0 and dou z by dou y equal to sin x when y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 is common to both the condition. Z equal to 0 and dou z by dou y equal to sin x when y equal to 0. Now first use y equal to 0, z equal to 0 and check. See, put y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Then what we will get? 0 equal to fx e power 0 plus gx e power 0. That is fx plus gx equal to 0. Okay. So we got one equation here. Now what is second equation? Y equal to 0 and dou z by dou y equal to sin x they have given. Now first find dou z by dou y because z given fx e power y plus gx e power minus y. So what is dou z by dou y? Differentiate this. Derivative of e power y is e power y only. Derivative of e power minus y is minus e power minus y. So what is dou z by dou y? That is dou z by dou y equal to fx e power y minus gx e power minus y. Now use the condition. What they given? Dou z by dou y equal to sin x given in the question and y equal to 0. Replace that. So sin x equal to fx e power 0 minus gx e power 0. So what is fx minus gx? Sin x. And what we got previous result? Fx plus gx is 0. And now fx minus gx equal to sin y we are getting. Sin x we are getting. Add both, then we will get what? 2fx equal to sin x. Right? So fx, this should be fx equal to sin x. 2fx equal to sin x means fx equal to sin x by 2. It should be fx. Now subtract, then we'll get 2gx equal to minus sin x. So what is gx? Minus sin x by 2. Now after getting these values fx and gx values, replace it back in equation 1. What is the equation 1? See here. Z equal to sin x by 2 e power y plus gx is what? Minus sin x by 2 into e power minus y, right? Now simplify here. What is common? Sin x common. E power y minus e power minus y can we write? Because plus into minus here. So e power y minus e power minus y divided by 2 into sin x. But what is this? E power y minus e power minus y is sin hy, right? Divided by 2 means sin hy. Sin hy into sin x. So this is required solution for given PD. Now second problem. What is given here? Dou square z by dou x square plus 3 dou z by dou x minus 4z equal to 0. Subject to the conditions. Here condition given z equal here dou square z by dou x square plus 3 dou z by dou x minus 4z equal to 0. Subject to the conditions z equal to 1 and dou z by dou x equal to y when x equal to 0 given, right? Now first we have to check z is a function of which variable, single or two variables. Now here clearly we can observe z is a function of single variable, that is x. So this can be written in the form, PD can be written in the form ODE, right? That is d square z by dx square plus 3 into dz by dx minus 4z equal to 0, or d square plus 3d minus 4 into z, where d by dx equal to capital D, right? Now what is the auxiliary equation? D square plus 3d minus 4 equal to 0, or m square plus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. Now after solving that equation we will get what? M equal to 1 and minus 4, or d equal to 1 and minus 4. Now roots are real and different, so how to write? Y equal to c, y not y here, sorry, z in terms of x, z equal to c1 e power 1x plus c2 e power minus 4x. Now we need to obtain the solution for PD, right? How to obtain the solution for PD? Just c1 and c2 replaced by fy and gy, because in terms of another variable. So z equal to f of y e power x plus g of y e power minus 4x. Now we need to find the value of f of y and g of y by using the conditions. What are the conditions given? X equal to 0, z equal to 1. So when x equal to 0 and z equal to 1, this becomes what? 1 equal to f of y e power 0 plus g of y e power 0, or f of y plus g of y equal to 1. Another condition what is given? Dou z by dou x equal to y when x equal to 0. So for that we need to find dou z by dou x. First, what is dou z by dou x? Differentiate this one expression partially with respect to x. So that we'll get dou z by dou x equal to f of y e power x plus g of y minus 4 e power minus 4x, right? So what we will get here? So dou z by dou x equal to f of y e power x minus 4 g of y e power minus 4x. Now replace the value of dou z by dou x, that is what? Y. So dou z by dou x replaced by y equal to f of y e power 0 minus 4gy e power 0. E power 0 is 1. So f of y minus 4gy equal to y. But previous what we got? F of y plus gy equal to 1. Now add and subtract. First add. If you add, what you will get? Y here fy plus gy given, right? There here solve this two equation. Fy plus gy equal to 1. Here fy minus 4gy equal to y. Subtract first. Then what you will get? Gy minus of minus plus. So 5gy equal to 1 minus y. So what is gy? 1 minus y by 5. So after getting this g of y value, replace it back in any one of the expression, so that you will get f of y as 4 plus y by 5. At the end you have to write what is z, that is you have to replace in this expression z equal to f of y e power x plus g of y e power minus x. What is f of y? That is 4 plus y by 2 by 5 e power x plus 1 minus y by 5 e power minus 4x. So this is the required solution for the given PDE, right? Now let us move to another example. See here, dou square z by dou y square equal to z. Given that when y equal to 0, z equal to e power x and dou z by dou y equal to e power minus x. Now again here z is a function of what? Single variable y only, right? Now you have to write given PDE in terms of ODE. How to write? Dou square z by dou y square can be written as d square z by dy square. So d square z by dy square minus z equal to 0. So if you choose d by dy as capital D, it will give us what? Capital D square minus 1 into z equal to 0. Here what is capital D? Here d by dy. Okay, it is dy. Now we have to write z in terms of y. So what is auxiliary equation here? D square minus 1 0. So d equal to plus 1 or minus 1. Again roots are real and different. So how to write? Z in terms of y we have to write. So z equal to c1 e power y plus c2 e power minus y. This we obtained solution for ODE. Now how to write the solution for PDE? Just C1 and C2 replaced by function in terms of another variable. That is what? In terms of x they have given already. So z equal to f of x e power y plus g of x e power minus y. Okay. Now after obtaining the solution for PDE, we have to find fx and gx value by using the given data. What are the given data here? y0, z equal to e power x and dou z by dou y equal to e power minus x when y0. So y0 is common for these two conditions. Okay. Now first condition, put y equal to 0, z equal to e power x. Then what will get? E power x equal to fx e power 0 plus gx e power 0. So fx plus gx equal to e power x. Next, second condition, they have given dou z by dou y equal to e power minus x. For that, first we have to differentiate z partially with respect to y. So what is dou z by dou y? Dou z by dou y equal to fx e power y plus gx minus e power minus y. That is what? Fx e power y minus gx e power minus y. Again replace the condition. What is the condition? y0 and dou z by dou y is e power minus x. Now replace that condition. So fx minus gx will get e power minus x. Now add both equation. there plus gx is there, e power x equal to fx plus gx, add, then gx get cancelled here, 2fx equal to e power x plus e power minus x, or what is fx, e power x plus e power minus x by 2, or it is nothing but cos hx. Similarly, equation 2 minus equation 3, we will get 2fx equal to e power x minus e power minus x. So what is gx, e power x minus e power minus x by 2, that is nothing but sin hx. At the end, what is z, you have to replace back in this expression, f z equal to fx e power y plus gx e power minus y, but here fx is nothing but cos hx and gx is nothing but sin hx. Replace here back, therefore z equal to cos hx e power y plus sin hx e power minus y. This is the final solution for the given PDE. Okay, now let us move to one more example under this. See, solve dou square z by dou x square equal to a square z, given that x equal to 0, comma z equal to 0 and dou z by dou x equal to a sin y. So x equal to 0 is common condition for these two cases. Okay, now first once again you have to check z is a function of single variable x only. So the given PD can be written in the form of d square z by dx square equal to a square z, right, or capital D square minus a square into z equal to 0, or m square minus a square equal to 0, or m equal to plus or minus a. So roots are real and different. So what is the solution of this? Z equal to c1 e power ax plus c2 e power minus ax, because z in terms of x we have to write. Now this is the solution we obtained for ODE. Now how to write the solution for PDE? Just replace C1 and C2 by function in terms of another variable, that is another variable they have given in terms of y. So f of y e power ax plus g of y e power minus ax. Now with the help of the given conditions we have to find the value of f of y and g of y. What is given first one? X equal to 0, z equal to 0. Say put x equal to 0 and z equal to 0 in this relation. 0 equal to f of y plus g of y, right? Or f of y plus g of y equal to 0. Second condition, what is given? X equal to 0, dou z by dou x equal to a sin y, right? Now what is dou z by dou x? First obtain that. That is, you have to differentiate this z partially with respect to x, because we want dou z by dou x. What is derivative of e power x? A into e power x. Similarly, e power minus x derivative is minus a e power minus ax. So what is dou z by dou x here? A into f of y e power x minus a into g of y e power minus ax. Now use the condition. What is the condition given? Dou z by dou x is a sin y, right? So a sin y equal to a and x equal to 0 given. So a sin y equal to a f y minus a g y, because e power 0 is 1. A common constant here, cancel each other. So fy minus gy equal to sin y. Now fy plus gy equal to 0, fy minus gy equal to sin y. Add both, we will get 2fy equal to sin y. So what is f of y? Sin y by 2. Subtract, then we will get 2gy equal to minus sin y. Therefore gy equal to minus sin y by 2. Now after getting this f of y and g of y, you have to replace back it in z. What is that? What is that? Z f of y e power x plus g of y e power minus x. Now replace back here, that is sin y by 2 e power x minus sin y by 2 e power minus ax. So what is common here? Sin y keep out as it is, e power ax minus e power minus ax by 2, that is sin h ax. So we are getting, this is the final solution for the given PDE, right?